Have a look at this problem. 5 raised to the power x plus 2 plus 5 raised to the power x is equal to 26 over 625. What should be the value of x? How can we solve this exponential equation? If you want to do it yourself, feel free to pause this video now and try. The first thing that we need to understand is the properties of exponents. For example, x raised to the power 3 multiplied by x raised to the power 6 is equal to x raised to the power 3 plus 6, which means it is x raised to the power 9. So we can add exponents with the common base, and since x is common base, therefore you can add 3 and 9. In this case, you can go backward as well. That is, if we have x raised to the power 7, we can write it as x raised to the power 3 plus 4, which means x raised to the power 3 into x raised to the power 4. Now what about 5 raised to the power x plus 2? Using this property or law of exponent, we can write 5 raised to the power 2 equal to 5 raised to the power x into 5 raised to the power 2. Okay. Now we move on to the solution of our equation. So we will write 5 raised to the power x plus 2 as 5 raised to the power 2 into 5 raised to the power x plus 5 raised to the power x is equal to 26 divided by, now this 625 we can also write it as multiple of 5. Actually 625 is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, which means 5 into 5 25, 25 into 5 125, and then 125 into 5 is 625, which can also be written as 5 raised to the power 4. So we will write here 5 raised to the power 4. Now 5 raised to the power 2 can be written as 25. If we take 5 raised to the power x as a variable, then we can take 5 raised to the power x as common. So when we take it common, we can write 25 plus 1 into 5 raised to the power x okay, 25 plus 1 is 26 into 5 raised to the power x. This 5 raised to the power 4, we will take it up, and I think you will be aware of the fact that x raised to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 over x square, which means if we take it down, its sign will change. So x raised to the power minus 2 will become 1 over x raised to the power 2. Similarly, if we have 1 over x raised to the power 7, it can be written as 1 into x raised to the power minus 7, which means x raised to the power minus 7. So here when we take 5 raised to the power 4 in the numerator, it will become 26 into 5 raised to the power 4. Okay, now we divide both sides by 26. So 26 into 5 raised to the power x over 26. 26 into 5 raised to the power minus 4 over 26. So 26 cancels on both sides. And we are left with 5 raised to the power x is equal to 5 raised to the power minus 4. Since bases are equal, therefore powers will also be equal, which means our x is equal to minus 4. So this is our solution set. Now we will check if this answer is correct. So we will verify the equation. So let's do that. Our left hand side is equal to 5 raised to the power x plus 2 plus 5 raised to the power x. We will replace the value of x, which is minus 4 here. 5 raised to the power minus 4 plus 2 plus 5 raised to the power minus 4. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Since both are having negative power, so we will move them to the denominator. So it will become 5 raised to the power 2 plus 1 over 5 raised to the power 4. 5 raised to the power 2 is 25 and 5 raised to the power 4 is 625. We'll take LCM here, which is 625. 25 multiplied by 25 is 625, so 25 into 1 will be 25. 625 multiplied by 1 is equal to 625, so 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1, which is equal to 26 over 625, which is equal to right hand side. So we have the correct answer. That's all for now. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Until the next time, take care and bye.